I know you are busy, but if you have 5 minutes, you can learn Spanish vocabulary like a pro. Hola amigos, Julio Foppoli here. Although there may be hundreds of words for every single topic, in everyday conversation people only use 5 to 10 words tops. In this video series we'll be learning that key conversational vocabulary that people use all the time. This video series will teach you how to describe human beings physically in 5 minutes or less. In today's video we'll learn how to describe people according to how attractive they are. Let's get started. Beautiful, good looking. Bonito. Of course, if we are talking about a woman, we would say bonita. Handsome, good looking. Guapo. To be hot. Estar bueno. Notice something interesting here. If we want to express this to be hot, we could say ser bonito or estar bueno o estar buena if it's a woman. Notice the difference in verbs that for most verbs for physical descriptions, characteristics, we would use ser. However, in this expression to be hot, for example, we would use the verb estar, not ser. If I say that someone es bueno o es buena, we say that that person is nice, it's a nice person. But if you say that that person está bueno o está buena, well, the meaning is that they are hot. Attractive. Atractivo. Average looking. Normal, promedio. Ugly. Feo. And this is the end of this video series on physical descriptions. As you can see, this series was based on the premise that less is more. We've learned all of those words that people use all the time when describing other human beings. In our next video series, we're going to focus on personality. Stay tuned. And if you haven't done this yet, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So every time I upload some new material, you'll be the first one to know. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Julio Foppoli. Nos vemos mañana.